What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm 6-Star Driver, and on today's episode of my salvage rebuilds, I will be showing you guys one of my favorites, the 2011 BMW 550i. This car is a beast, packed with a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 engine that is pushing out 400 horsepower stock. Now, this could be easily tuned to compete with the big brother, the 500 horsepower M5. This car came with front end damages, the bumper is completely trashed, and the passenger headlight is broken. Simple fix. Only minor cosmetic damages. Nothing my guy Mike can't handle. Let's go. Before I forget, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Like, subscribe. This was initially supposed to be my summer project. I was determined to add at least 200 to 300 horsepower with a few mods, but plans changed as one of my guys took interest in it. It was quite surprising, as it was always an American muscle type of guy, with cars like the rare Pontiac G8 GXP and the Cadillac CTS-V, both heavily tuned and pushing close to 800 horsepower. I mean, we've crushed the likes of Ferrari, Porsche, and BMWs in the CTS-V. I was shocked when Porsche BMW. Maybe we saw something I didn't see. Or maybe we were thinking alike. The car's a beast, and it can be heavily tuned. I'm pretty sure he's gonna have this pushing close to 1,000 horsepower. Car guys, that's what we do. We hook them up, fix them up, and make them run fast. If you want to see more cars, more videos, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time on my salvage rebuilds.